Protecting your bank account from hackers is essential, and fortunately, it's relatively simple to do. First and foremost, ensure that you're using legitimate software on both your computer and mobile devices. These devices should be secure, as they are the means through which you access your bank account. Avoid saving passwords in browser managers or on your phone. Instead, log in manually each time you need to access your account. While it may be convenient to keep your bank's application logged in, it's safer to refrain from saving login credentials in browsers. Additionally, steer clear of unethical or pirated software on your computer, as these can pose security risks. Both computers and mobile phones come equipped with security features that are difficult to breach, but it's crucial to remain vigilant. Even though professionals may attempt to hack your accounts, following these security measures can significantly reduce the risk. Lastly, avoid letting anyone else use your phone or computer, especially if your bank account is logged in. By taking these precautions, you can greatly reduce the likelihood of your account being hacked. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to protect your bank account from hackers effectively.